So to get the dryer out of the, this is a Winnebago Journey. To get the dryer out, you see I removed the top cabinet doors. I also removed the bar that goes across here. Bottom plate over here snaps off. What I did was I took a flat blade screwdriver, popped it, then you got to unsnap it from here, and that comes off. What I'm doing now is, notice I took the shelves out of the cabinet. Back here, this piece comes out once I get it finished, and I got to get to a mounting. I got the screws up in there still. Got to get to the mounting brace that holds the back of the dryer. So you got to come to the back through the cabinet, and then once that's done, with these 3 screws here that I removed, 1, 2, 3, which mounts it to the top of this washing machine, this guy will pull out. I just have to worry about the hose. But that's it. Top 2 drawers off, middle brace, the screws that mount it to the washing machine, and I'll show you that as soon as I pull it off. I'm gonna put the phone down because I can't do 2 things at one time. It's just the way it is. This old man just can't do it. So to get this piece out here, you have to take the top out. And it's 6 screws. And then this piece will come out once I get to it. So this piece here comes out once you take the top off, and you can get in there. Hold on a second, I'm gonna put this piece down. And I can find it right there. If you can see it, those 3 screws right here, that holds the dryer in place. So I got to remove those 3 screws, and this guy will come out far enough so I can get to it. Right.